Hi, we're back with a new game, and this time we're playing this game called The Dish. Oh shit, it's so loud on my end. Let me lower the volume a little bit. Yeah, there are no settings, or let me just try lowering the volume on my laptop. Play. I'm nervous. Oh shit. Hey, wake up. It's Randy. We got a serious problem. I'm not getting a signal from the southern dish. The blizzard must have knocked it out. I know you're still new at this job, but I need you to climb up and pull the restart switch on the dish. Be sure to bring your flashlight, F key. And bundle up, it's blowing sideways out there. Whoa! Some cool posters. Could be AI, I'm not sure. Okay. Looks kind of nice. We have like a nice bed, trash bin. Is that a magazine? Oh. He's hot. Anyway. We're gonna go up. Let me drink some water. Oh my, it's so damn windy. So we're right here, right? I guess we're gonna have to move forward. Right click to zoom in, shift to like run, I guess, a little bit. Oh shit. How are you doing out there? Not lost, I hope. The guy that worked the precision last year got lost. Well, fuck me. We didn't find him till the spring. What? Haha, just kidding. I'm a big kidder. Okay, not funny. Good old Randy the kidder, they call me. Boo. Oh shit. What'd I do? Okay, we got a tape. Oh, I'm guessing it's that red thing. So I'm not supposed to hit. I mean, there's a freaking red button here, so why can't I like... Okay. I guess I'm guessing that's where we're supposed to go, because there's nothing else here, guys. It's just snow. Here we are, the dish. I'm guessing we're somewhere in Antarctica or Alaska. Somewhere with snow. No shit. Okay, we're up. Not too bad. Oh, I think it's this button. Oh shit. What was that? Was that wind? Well, fancy that. It's working again. Well, you can head back to bed now. Sorry to disturb you for something so simple. It's just very important that the dish works at all hours. So thanks, and have a good sleep. Can I go up? Oh, I can't. I guess we're going down. Hello? Okay, here's the thing. Where do I go now? If that's where the dish is, I feel like I have to go there. Like when I hold... Oh shit, when I hold shift... I'm not really like... Oh fuck. I'm really sorry if I scared you. Okay. I really shouldn't joke about people dying out here. Since there actually was a girl who was found dead in this area. What? Her name was Jenny Clark. She was 16. Do I click this? Apparently a few meth heads abducted her. Did things to her before she died. Things only monsters would do. Except they never found evidence to convict the bastards. Heard from a pal that they still live around here. Some say they still roam the woods at night looking for more folks. Oh look, now I'm scaring you again. What the fuck? But it did happen. Even made national news at the time. Where's my fucking house? Hello? Dude, I'm lost. It's over. What? We're at the fucking tower. No fucking way. If they're here, wait, the victim was a woman. Are we a guy or a chick? So we have this machine, right? Oh, I'm guessing it's supposed to go there. Maybe that's where our hut is. I'm just following where the wire I think is at. I think it's pointed here. The issue is, our little house, whatever it is, it doesn't have a light. So it complicates things. Not too bad. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, we did find a tape. So let me do this. Now we have 2 tapes. Can't we play it? Are we supposed to play the whole thing? What? Shit. I'm sorry. Now the dish is dead again. Oh my fucking god. Can you quickly jog back and restart it? I'm sorry, but we need that dish online. I swear I'll make it up to you tomorrow. Oh my god. I feel like he may be the guy. You know, the freaking... He didn't even explain like what they did apparently to that girl or something. That's kind of cool. Oh, we got some interaction going on over here. Got some Chinese food. Oh, by the way, I just ate some noodles. It's like spicy, you know, that ramyun kind of noodles, the beef flavor. We're back outside, dude. Thankfully, the space you have to travel ain't too bad. So, right, it's pretty close. Oh shit! It's just me. It's just fucking me. Where's the ladder? Where's the fucking ladder, guys? Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. What the fuck? That dish is busted? Damn storm. Is it a storm? Well, I guess we'll try to fix it tomorrow. This shit is seriously getting on my nerves. Go on, head back to bed. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck was that? Oh my goodness. It's over. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I saw 2 red fucking eyes. Should I go here? Can I go here? Oh, I can. Are you outside my bunker? Oh, sorry. Oh, good. I saw your flashlight under the door. You had me spooked first. So where's my fucking house? Oh, sorry. I would invite you in, but the place is a mess. Oh my god, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Got some water. Let's smell that. Okay. We want some noise, some background noise to keep us calm. Okay. Let me eat some noodles again. It. Hey, are you by my place? No? I keep hearing this banging at my door. Oh my fucking god. It's not you? Fuck that. I'm not answering it. Fair enough. Those psychos aren't going to get me. You're safe inside, right? I am. Probably best if neither of us went out again. Oh fuck my soul. Tonight. Hey, did your power go out too? Oh my gosh. Fuck me. If we don't get the power back on, we could freeze to death. You need to go back out there. Oh, why should it be me, bitch? The fuck? This time find the generator and press the button to restart it. So the yellow one. If you can't fix it, I don't know what we're going to do. I don't get why he can't be the one to do it. So if this is my bunker, I think I have to go straight, not there. If I go straight, I'll eventually see a big yellow box. There you go. Hopefully nothing's gonna grab me, scare me. Okay, fantastic, power on. Wait, something's not right. Oh my fucking gosh. I'll face you. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. I decided to face the freaking thing. So it's kind of a demon, some kind of cryptid, perhaps. You there? What the hell is going on tonight? I don't know. You tell me. What? You saw something? Yeah. I knew it. It's those psycho rednecks. Not a fuck it. I'm getting my double barrel. I don't think it's a person though. Stay in your bunker. I'm gonna scare them off. Oh no. He gonna die. He gonna die. We're gonna hear like a gunshot. Oh my god, is this blood? Fuck these dudes. I might just kill them. Okay. I've always wanted to kill some. Oh, whoa, easy. What the fuck? I'm just kidding, by the way. Oh my god. I would never actually shoot them. I'm Randy the Kidder. Remember? Jesus. But I might skin them. Okay. Skin them and hang them from a tree. Oh my fucking god. Just like they did to Jenny Clark. Oh, I could even... I don't see anyone out here. I'm coming to your place. Oh. Prepare for me. Oh! Oh no. I'm hurt. Oh shit. I need you to help me. I'm in my bunker. Oh my god. Follow the blood. Oh Jesus. If I have to. Hello? Okay, shotgun shells. Hold on, bunker. But if we're following the blood, we're headed to the tower instead, not the bunker. I don't know. Oh, yeah, we are. Shit. Are we sure it's him? Or what if he's like the creature? I don't know. We'll have to see. What the fuck? Hurry. Hi. M. Bleeding. Man, the bunker's so freaking... It's dark under your skin. What? Dark. And red. No! Behind you. Oh shit, 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 shit. Ah! I love... Ah! 2 of 7 hidden tapes found. Made in 3 weeks for the super secret Halloween game jam. Okay, not a bad game. It's I enjoyed it. I knew it, I mean they did say it was behind you, but still. It made me like raise my freaking shoulders. So that's it. That's the dish. The Dish is out game by John Harwood, sorry. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.